Hello and welcome. I'm Geo of the GeoSam YouTube channel. This is going to be a Gimp Quick Tip video about the color, foreground color and background color, changing the colors or adding colors to the canvas without losing your foreground color. Now let's say I chose a foreground color of pink, and I wanted to keep that as the foreground color, but I wanted to add color to the canvas or to a selection. So if I were to come down here and create a selection, and then I wanted to fill this selection with a color, I would have to come over here to the bucket fill tool and click on the canvas to fill with color. Now if I wanted to change this to a different color without losing my foreground color of pink, I click on the foreground color swatch here, which opens up the change foreground color. So say I wanted to select blue, change the color to blue. We could click on this blue color here, and instead of selecting OK, we come over here where it says current, click on the blue color and drag it over to the canvas and drop it in. And then click cancel. As you can see, our pink color is still there and available. It didn't change. Now we go select none. Now this can also work for filling the canvas as well. If you wanted to keep the pink color, but you wanted to fill the canvas with this blue color. So you first click the foreground color here, then come over and select your color. Let's go with that same blue again. And without the selection enabled, we could just drag it over, click where it says current and drag the color over and drop it in, and it fills our entire canvas with the color. And then click cancel, and then we still have pink if we wish to paint on the canvas. That's our quick tip for now. If you have a quick tip you'd like to share, put it in the comments, and perhaps I'll make a video of it and show everyone that tip. And if you like what you see, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell. And thanks for watching.